Hey, what's up, YouTube? So 13 years ago, I made the first video that I ever made with this Chef's Choice 609 meat slicer. And this one I think is actually discontinued, but I'll find a link to the one that I think that replaced it. And I didn't know it would even last 13 years because it does have plastic gears, but it's still going strong. And what I pretty much do with it nowadays is just slice like summer sausage and cheese. Cheese is really my favorite thing to slice with it. So we got some summer sausage here and some extra sharp cheddar cheese. And first thing we'll do is we'll just show you how thin it's going to be able to slice, and then just run through a log of summer sausage and the cheese. All right, so I went ahead and just cut the end of it off so it's flat, and we'll go and fire it up. And I'm going to go ahead and just slice it. I guess kind of thick here, getting a nice straight place to start with. Now I'm going to set it to the thinnest it's able to slice, and we'll show you that. And see, that's really thin. Maybe too thin even for sandwiches, unless you're going to cut ham or maybe bigger pieces of meat or something that's really thin. Go ahead and show you in the middle. Nice big old chunk in the middle there. And biggest slice. So from the thinnest to the biggest. And I'm going to go ahead and try to dial in here to where I like it for just my cheese and crackers or whatever. All right, too thin. Like number 4, I'm going to go like maybe 3.5, and we'll just run through the whole roll here. And we grab a little guide. All right, so that easy to run through a roll of summer sausage here. We'll go ahead and actually finish up these real thick ones here because they're way too thick to do anything with for me. So we'll go ahead and just slice this into slices that I like. And then our medium one. So here's what we got, slices for our summer sausage. And we'll switch it up to the cheese. Don't need this for right now, so our hand's nowhere near the blade. And it's one of my favorite things is to cut cheese with this thing. That's the same as the summer sausage. I'm going to make it just a hair thicker. Right here. Show you how fast I can run through this. All right, there's a whole block of cheese sliced just that fast. And let me just transition the camera a little bit here and show you how easy this thing is to break down and clean. All right, as far as cleaning goes, it's actually pretty easy. This goes in the dishwasher. Tray goes in the dishwasher. So that's simple. And then our tray here, slide it all the way up. And you go to all the way to the release. And just take it off. And this you just clean with, soap and hot water. Easy enough. Release this. Same thing, soap and hot water, pretty easy. And the blade here, blade is reverse threaded, but you got this knob that comes off either with a coin. I'm using a key, coin or screwdriver or something. You just unscrew this, and we'll hand wash that piece. And we'll hand wash the blade. You got one more piece down here. This just slides off. We'll hand wash this, and then of course we'll just be washing the whole thing, just with a damp towel, maybe just a little bit of soap, and clean it all off. Really pretty easy. I have seen people complain how hard these things are to clean. This one is definitely not. So anyway, just want to show you guys after having this thing for literally 13 years that I'm still using it, still going strong, even with everything being plastic. It hasn't broke or gave me really any problems at all for literally the 13 years I've had it. I'll put a link to the newer model of this in the description. And I don't have much else to add to it. If you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.